Miss Hannigan.
We love you, Miss Hannigan.
We love you, Miss Hannigan.
Sure, but if you're so wide awake, you can get up, get out of bed, and clean up this place now.
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. Static treated, we get tricked. Static kisses, we get kicked. Empty belly life, rotten smelly life, full of sorrow life, no tomorrow life. It's a hard knock life.
A straight line now. Good afternoon, everyone. So this is Mr. Warbucks and this is Grace Phillip. Mr. Warbucks would like to invite an orphan to spend a week with him for Christmas. Isn't that nice? What kind of orphan did you have in mind?
I would love that.
You better watch out with your behavior, Annie.
Annie, are you okay? Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you.
Mr. Warbucks, when my folks left me 10 years ago, they left me a note and they kept the other half of this locket, so I know it was them when they came. I don't mean to hurt your feelings, but I just gotta find them.
Then I will help you, Annie. Don't worry, okay? There's gonna be a better tomorrow.
The sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day away.
This is Mr. Warbucks and I'm offering 50,000 ringgit reward to fund orphan Annie's parents. Ampang Street, Kuala Lumpur.
We need specific Annie. Details.
Annie says that her parents will one day come and claim her with the other half of this locket. But she don't know that her parents died in the fire.
I remember the way our scented mother will sit and croon us a lullaby.
I don't want any.
Oh, Annie, look, Ruff. She still has the locket. We finally found you. Stop!
What is this?
We are Annie friends.
They were bad people.
Shut up, you stupid kid!
It's a swindle.
Thank you for helping me.
Had gone away. Who will take care of us?
Don't worry, my dear. I will take care of every single one of you. Alright?
Thank you, Mr. Warbucks. I don't need anything but you.
Together at last,
Together forever.
we're tying a knot that never can sever.
I don't need sunshine now to turn my skies to blue.
I don't need anything but you.
I don't need anything, anything, anything.